Measure the width at the top, middle and bottom and take the average measurement. This is the drive-through width. Measure the height top, middle and bottom. This is the drive-through height. Make sure that the floor is level. You will need to make sure you have enough room inside the opening at each side to accommodate the guides. This will be 75 mm for doors up to 4,600 mm and 90 mm for doors over 4,600 mm. On the height, you will need room to secure the box inside the door. Allow 350 mm up to 2,500 mm and 400 mm for doors over this height.